Hello and welcome back to Steaming with Steve. Today we're going to keep going on with our homework today, and we're going to jump into the Dr. Frost for multiplying and dividing algebra. So let's jump on in. So the homework that we're going to cover today looks something like this. So it's pretty much just grouping the numbers together, timesing them up, and seeing how they look. So here we go. So I'm going to make a new line, page, draw a line together with that. And we've got Dr. Frost, 9, multi, and divide. We highlight that. And here we go. Question 1. 2e times 3f. So the numbers become 6EF. Number 2, you have y times y times y times y, just equals 4y. Number 3, we have 6e times 2f, which equals 12EF. Question 4, t times t squared. Sorry, let's go again. T times t squared, which equals t to the power of 3. Question 5, 2b times 3b, which equals 6b squared. Number 6, 4b times 5c, equals 20bc. Number 7, 3c times 5c, equals 15c squared. Number 8, 4p times 5q gives 20pq. Question 9, w to the power of 6 times w to the power of 4 equals w to the power of 10. Question 10, 5a cubed times 5a squared equals 25a to the power of 5. Question 11, 3y squared times 4y cubed equals 12y to the power of 5. Question 12, so we've got q to the power of 12 times q to the power of 4 divided by q to the power of 6. Now this is another way of saying q times q times q, like 12 times, q times q times q times q times q times divided by q times q times q times q. So with these indice powers, you could do 12 plus the 4, so that's 16 q's on the top and 6 on the bottom. So then that's going to leave you with just 10 q's. 13. So this is the same as d to the power of 9 all to the power of 4. So that's the same as d to the power of 9 times d to the power of 9 times d to the power of 9 times d to the power of 9. And with the indice laws, you just add that all together and you get d to the power of 36. Question 14. So we've got 14x on 7. So that leaves you with 2x. Number 15. So we've got 6b divided by 6. It just equals b. 16. So we've got 24x to the power of 5, y to the power of 5, all over 3x squared. So the front becomes just 8. X squared goes into that and leaves you 3 at the top. And then you've got y to the power of 5. Here we go. 17. So you've got ABC divided by ABCD. So they cancel out. You're left with 1 on D. 18. We've got 15D divided by 5. So that just equals 3D. Question 19. So you've got 32x divided by 8. Gives you 4x. 20. So you've got n to the power of 7 divided by n to the power of 2. So we just take those away. So just to show you, this is the same as n times n times n times n times n times n times n, all over n times n. So we just simply go through and cancel. We should see that there's 5 n's on the top. 21. So we've got 15xy over 3x. So that's leaving you with 5 and y on the top. Then 22, you got 10a squared b divided by 5a. So that's leave you 2 and a. So 2ab. 23, you got 3d divided by d. So it just equals 3, which is a in the Dr. Frost options. Then 24, 12 tu to the power of 6 divided by 6 tu to the power of 5. They cancel out, you're left with a 2, and that cancels out, you're left with a 1. So then that just equals 2u. Cool. So hopefully you picked up how to do that skill set. Pretty much as long as you can balance out and cancel the powers above and below, you should be able to work out how to times and divide these indices pretty quickly. That's it for me. If you did enjoy the video, please give us a like and subscribe below, as it does help with that YouTube algorithm. Thanks again. See you next time on Steam It with Steve. Adios.